Imagine a one-stop learning resource platform for seniors at your fingertips. Introducing the new C3A app, a convenient and personalized access to senior-related learning and volunteering resources, and curated content relating to aging well. Enhanced with new features, the new C3A app provides you with a seamless and personalized user experience. Let us show you the exciting new features. To navigate the app, check out the menu located at the bottom of the app screen. Under What's On, discover the latest activities or deals specially tailored for seniors. In Resources, check out useful content relating to aging well or be inspired by stories of seniors. Dive into courses and choose from a wide range of learning options. And don't forget to click on More to explore the other tabs too. Check out the Volunteer page and discover different volunteering opportunities catered to varied needs of seniors. If you have any questions, check out the Frequently Asked Questions section. Here are 6 new key features in the C3A app. 1. Personalized login. First, with the new app, you can now create your own account to access personalized features. You will also receive notifications relating to your interests. Rate a course that you have attended and be reminded of upcoming classes and events. 2. Bookmark and share. See something that you're interested in? Bookmark and revisit anytime in your account. Use the Add to Calendar feature to remind yourself of an upcoming course or event. And even share with friends about your findings. 3. Improved search function. Searching for a suitable course has never been more convenient. Decide what is your preferred course format and simply scroll down to view more courses. You can also use the search tool filters to narrow your search. Refine your search for activities and deals as well. 4. Self-assessment. Not sure which course to go for? Do the self-assessment to learn about yourself and identify your learning needs. 5. Compare courses. Compare up to 3 courses at one glance by selecting from the wide variety of courses available to find a course that best suits your needs. 6. Course review. Share your learning experience after attending a course. Comment and rate your learning experience. This will help others in their selection of courses. Now that you have an overview of the app and its features, download the C3A app and embark on your active aging journey today. Now available on the App Store and Google Play.